and gentlemen, standing here, I would like to deliver my speech under the title of Indonesia Maritime Axis as the greatest strategy in interacting with the global society and expanding economic sector. Ladies and gentlemen, Indonesia is consists from 70% of overseas the ocean. Great plan for Indonesia, great maritime global system for all Indonesian international level. But the question right now is, what is it? And what's the function of the maritime system toward Indonesia economic and also Indonesia for the communication of the styles global? Ladies and gentlemen, it's going to be the famous topic when I want to tell you going on how actually that maritime system has the great power in developing economic, national and international while commuting Indonesia to interact with all countries for global society in the world. How can interaction itself and how can Indonesia be the one of the interaction countries instead of maritime access system? To answer that question, I'm going to tell you to know the definition of the maritime access global and second, the economic sector. Ladies and gentlemen, when I said you as a maritime access global means that Indonesia become the structural maritime for all around the world. So all around the world will come to Indonesia to visit Indonesia for having a nice training inside the kind of maritime system itself. And what I mean as the kind of economic sector means that Indonesia improve means of the cure of economic sector of Indonesia during the whole of interaction with another country for Indonesia and all people around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the question is how the interaction be done and what should Indonesia maritime should be so they can interact with another people even the global society all around the world. This is going to be my topic in my speech today. To complete my speech today, I'm going to let you know the argument. The first is talking about the action how actually that maritime access global in the world. The second, what is on how the future implication of Indonesia maritime system with the interaction of the global society. Ladies and gentlemen, come to my first argument, talking about the action on how the maritime system has the global access for Indonesia toward the global society. I told you at the first point that Indonesia consists more than 70% at the overseas the ocean. This is on how actually when Sukarno and all the president right now, Mr. Joko Widodo already started to build a great construction for the plane to make Indonesia be the strongest enough as the maritime access global all around the world. It's indicate on how actually Indonesia has so many culture, has so many traffic inside. And we called already face, coral and many kinds inside the ocean of Indonesia become the rule, tradition of Indonesia to make Indonesia be the strongest enough country in all around the world. It's commuting in such what the kind in the maritime system. Talking about the treasure but Indonesia called the geopolitics, which I mean that the place of Indonesia in across of such an ocean, for example, the Asia and the continents of Europe and other would like to cross Indonesia, so actually they have to stay in Indonesia for having a nice training and other activities in economic sector. So this is the reason on how Indonesia must be really strong enough to be as one country in maritime system access global for interaction with all around the world as the global society itself. Ladies and gentlemen, so what's wrong with the kind and this action? The wrong is when Indonesia still cannot maximize the maritime system become the real place and also real to improving the economic sector for interaction with the another people for the global society itself. So to make it clear, I'm going to let you know in my second argument the future implication on how actually Indonesia maritime global access would like to be as the one of manifestation of interaction for the global society. Ladies and gentlemen, when I said you, when Gajah Mada and also Majapahit at the moment declared that Indonesia at the moment called as a Malacca, so all the country for Arabian, Europe and the other country, they even coming down to Indonesia for only giving a training more, for only giving such kind of the economic activity. But so that's right, now in are doing a search of planning to make Indonesia become the greatest power of the maritime axis global. But the question right now is, what is the benefit of the maritime system? And actually, it's going to improve Indonesia in the sector economic, tourism, politics, and the other. But I'm going to let you know how great the kind of maritime axis global will really prove that toward the economic sector. And how can we improve it? Even the maritime axis global become the proof of Indonesia. Speak to the world, Indonesia interact to the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I will prove it one by one. Well, in the first paragraph, I said that by using the maritime system as the global axis at the world, it's one of manifestation of Indonesia to speak at the world and to interact to the world right now. For example, this is the place for Indonesia only. But we believe that Indonesia wants to send another people around the world. So this is the interaction that Indonesia share every single place and every single activities like economic sector, region sector, and the kind of another sector would like to be. So we believe that Indonesia would like to say to the world that we are here for them. We come together with them and we say to the world, Indonesia become the greatest power of maritime axis global. Ladies and gentlemen, I can conclude that National Maritime Axis Global in the world would like to improve Indonesia in interaction with another people, in interaction to the global society for all around the world. And actually, it's going to improve the national economic sector for Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, believe or not, 2016 would like to be a start for Indonesia to renewable that the thing that Indonesia is still the maritime system as the global in the world. Believe me, Indonesia is the ways to the interaction with all people to make improve Indonesia become the power of economic sector. Thanks for your attention and bless.